Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the garage. Today's gonna be a very quick video. I wanted to go ahead and do a comparison of the stock NPP exhaust on the Camaro SS1LE and the Corsa Xtreme Axleback. So as many of you know, I did install the Corsa system on the back, the Axleback system. It is the Xtreme version. So obviously I already did a little sound clip of the stock exhaust before I did this. So I'm gonna run that clip right now. Alright, and so that is the stock clip, and as you can see, it's not bad. It's actually a very nice sounding stock exhaust, but in my opinion, you can always get better. So I did choose the Corsa Xtreme Axleback, and pretty simple install. If you haven't seen it, go watch that video. But let's go ahead and jump in and see how it sounds compared to the stock. Alright, so welcome back. That is the Corsa Xtreme Axleback on the Camaro SS. I can't say enough about it. It sounds so good. Way better than the stock, and I'm super happy with it. Not that the stock sounded bad or anything, but I think you can always do better, like I said. So it sounds so good, and I'm actually talking with Corsa right now. We're working to see if we can maybe do the entire mid-pipe under. So it'll just sound that much better if we can get that worked out. But like I said, that's going to do it for today. That is just a super quick video of the stock exhaust versus the Corsa exhaust. And until next time, you guys take it easy.